Do you want to play Minecraft with your friends but don't know how to join the same world? In this video, I will guide you through how to play Minecraft with your friends, even if you are on different locations. Before we start, make sure you and your friends are logged in and using a stable internet connection. Now tap on play. Then click on this friends option. From here, add your friend as an in-game friend. Here, search your friend name and send him a friend request and ask him to accept it. Make sure to accept the friend request, otherwise you cannot join each other's world. Now tap on create new world and follow the video. From here, go to advanced option and enable the coordinates. Now go to multiplayer option. Here, make sure friends of friends is enabled. If you want to use any mods in your server, enable this option. Now create the world. Tap on create anyway. Now tap on this 3-line option. Then go to invite to game. From this list, invite your friend to play together. Your friends can now join instantly. That's how you can play Minecraft with your friends. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.